Put an egg in a tomato, and you'll thank me at dinner. Start by cutting 3 tomatoes in half. Next, core all of them. Then cut the back of the tomatoes just like this and set aside. Once you've done that, separate the egg yolks from the egg whites of 6 eggs. Now, transfer the tomatoes to a medium baking dish. Put 1 egg yolk in each tomato and set aside. After that, grate 150 grams of mozzarella cheese using the large holes in the grater and set aside. If you've made it here, that means you're enjoying our recipe. So, click the share button and share this video with all your friends. It won't cost you anything, but for us, it will make all the difference. Now, season the tomatoes with 1 pinch of salt and 1 pinch of black pepper. Then, add the mozzarella cheese we grated earlier. Top the tomatoes with parsley to taste. Take it to a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 20 minutes. Leave us a comment with the name of the city from which you're watching this. I'd like to give you a shout out and thank you for sharing this recipe. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now, I'll head to the comments section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye-bye.